Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will share with you another delicious recipe you will absolutely love. Lentil soup. Rinse 2 cups of dry lentils with water and drain. Watch the video to the end to learn the details and tips for making this amazing recipe. Heat up 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 3 cloves garlic minced. Saute for 2 minutes. 2 carrots peeled, washed and diced. 2 celery stalks washed and diced. Lower the heat and cook for 7 to 10 minutes until softened. This lentil soup is loaded with nutrients, making it perfect for the colder months. Tip number 1, do not rush this step because this is the base for the soup. Take your time to saute the celery, onion, and carrots over low heat because the longer it takes to cook them, the more it transforms to create an incredible flavor base for the soup. After 10 minutes, go ahead and add all the remaining ingredients except the lemon, salt, and black pepper. 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 14-ounce can crushed tomatoes, half teaspoon dried oregano, 2 cups pre-washed lentils, and 6 cups of chicken broth or stock. You can use vegetable broth too for vegetarians. Mix very well and bring to a boil. Scoop any scum and discard. You may repeat this during cooking if it becomes necessary. Go ahead and cover the pot. Reduce heat to low and let the soup simmer for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the lentils are soft. Remember to stir occasionally and check for seasoning. After 35 minutes, the lentils are soft. You may add more water or stock or broth if the soup is too thick for you. I prefer this consistency though. Go ahead and remove the bay leaves. Keep watching for another tip. Using both the lemon zest and lemon juice elevates lentil soup to another level. It transforms it from good to great. So go ahead and add the zest of half a lemon. Now add half a teaspoon freshly ground black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Let's make the soup thicker and creamier. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can take some soup and blend it in the regular blender and re-add back to the pot. Our delicious lentil soup is ready. I bet you this must be the best lentil soup video on YouTube. Add the juice of half a lemon right before you serve. You may garnish it with chopped parsley or cilantro. And the soup pairs very well with crusty bread. Ready to make your own bowl of comfort and goodness? Gather your ingredients and try this delicious lentil soup recipe today. Don't forget to share your results with us, please. Leave us a comment below or tag us on the social media. We would love to hear how yours turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please, and share with your friends and family to enjoy this deliciousness too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.